Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information this week. Today we're going to talk about a true double oven versus a singular oven that can be set to go dual ovens. Okay, what I mean by that is, if you look at the KitchenAid here, okay, it is a complete cavity with a single oven here, okay, and a complete cavity single oven there. You have an upper and a lower, okay. Now the Samsung has a little bit different philosophy about that, okay. What we have here is a complete oven cavity, okay. So if I take this out, I have a normal single-sized oven, okay. Now if I slide this in correctly, okay, and it goes in, okay. Now I have a upper oven, which is here, okay, and if I open the whole thing, I've got a lower oven here. No, the bottom door doesn't open by itself, so is it better? Don't know. Personally, I like this design myself because I can cook what I want when I want, and I'm not limited in space by will it fit in there versus will it fit in there, okay? Space-wise, if you look at them, okay, they're basically the same size, you know, in here as for top and bottom. The oven sizes, top and bottom, aren't much different. It's just, do you have one and one, or do you have one and two, okay? So, a little bit to think about when you're looking at these. Do you want to be able to cook two separate things and have them completely separate? Now, the bad point about this is, when this heats up, your bottom oven's going to get warm too. So if you have something stored in there, you may want to be careful about that. Where this one, if you heat up to the top oven, the bottom oven's pretty much going to stay nice and cool. So if you have stuff in there, it's not going to get hurt. Okay. Comparison-wise, tomato potato to me. But like I said, I still prefer this design myself because, like I said, I just like the, you know, the ease of just the one top. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and come back next week for some more wonderful information. Okay, thank you very much.